realised that I didn't have an intro. So before I go and roll this video, I just want to say, if you are new to my channel, we are currently renovating a 1950s property. I've got 2 little boys, one is 2 and one is 1, and we have a boring basic grass area at the end of the garden, and I'm going to turn it into the play area of dreams. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So here's the garden, what it currently looks like, and I mean, I don't think we've done bad to what it was compared when we bought it. And then there's our double garage. The plan is, Nono's just woke up and he's very grumpy. Hi Nono. Hi Nono, say hiya. Say hi. Hiya. So the plan is, I was gonna try and vlog the opening to this video when the kids are asleep, but they've woke up early as usual. So it's 6:30 in the morning now. My mum's gonna have the boys for the day so I can get this done. I've already AI'd it to show you like the kind of vibe I want. We're gonna have something like this at the end of it. This is the area a little bit, a little close up. Literally just dog toys. The grass isn't growing as well because this tree, there's twigs falling from it. So I just thought it's better to do a play area. Obviously that window needs fixing. And then I'm going to put some stuff on the back here. So yeah, I'm just going to brush these twigs up now. And then I've got the membrane to put down. So let's jump into it. So I've bought this weed membrane from Home Bargains. I literally looked everywhere. I looked on Amazon, I looked all online, and they was all dead expensive. So the cheapest bet, if you are from the UK, is Home Bargains. This is 1 metre by 20 metres and it was £5.99. So I'm hoping, it's quite thick, I'm hoping it's going to fit the area. And then I know you need like something to keep it down. So I don't know if this is right, you know, I've never done this before, but I got some tent pegs. I'm just going to knock them in with a hammer and hopefully they'll keep it down. I'm guessing they weren't the same, but they were 79p and you get like 8 I think in there. 10, you get 10, so I got 3 packs. 3 packs of them with a hammer. So wish me luck and hopefully I've bought enough. So this is where we're up to. I know obviously I need some more pegs. I've ran out of pegs to peg it down, and then I've ran here, I've run out of membrane, so this bit needs doing a little bit here, and then obviously more pegs need adding, make it stay down more, make it look a bit neater, and then obviously the sides need pegging and cutting down. I'm going to put the picket fence up now, just to see if there's enough space or I need to make it smaller or I want to make it bigger for them. And then once the picket fence up, I'm going to go back to Home Bargains and get some more membrane. See you when I'm back from Home Bargains. So this is where I'm up to. Lila, literally loving it because it's lovely and warm. So all the membrane is done, I had to get a second roll, so I went to Home Bargains. And then behind here I had a spare little fence, so I'm going to put that, I can't get it in the ground because I'm not strong enough, but that's going to go in the ground just because there's some rocks at the back that are protecting that fence. So this is going to look nicely here. I think that looks nice anyway, like that. It's all around the red robin, and then I've done my best around this trunk as well, but I don't think I've done a bad job. It's all nailed down. There's about 60 tent pegs in it, and then I've slightly raised it so the chippings don't spill over into my grass. And here as well, I think I'm going to put like a plank of wood or something, but I'm not sure because the bodies will trip. Just put my little mushroom I got from Home Bargains just at the entrance for effect, so you can kind of see what it's going to look like. But yeah, it's really windy today and it's not blowing at all, so it's definitely nailed down properly. So the plan is now wait for the chippings. I was getting them from Amazon, and then I've cancelled the order because stupid me didn't look at the reviews. My mum was like, did you check the reviews? So I went back and checked them this morning, and it was just like, oh, it's just mud, it's not actually chipping. So I've cancelled that, and then I'm going to Lidl, because Lidl do it for £3.79 for 60 litres. So I'm going to go and get it from Lidl. I mean, I know I'm going to need a lot, probably about £100 worth. I'm going to buy some trampoline off TikTok Shop. I need to get some stepping stones, and then someone down the street is giving away a playhouse for free. It's dirty, but it just needs like jet washing, bleaching, painting maybe. And I said I'd have it because dollhouses online, they're literally about £70, and I just thought I need a dollhouse for this area. So she said I can have it, but I don't know how I'm going to get it from her house to my house because she can't dismantle it. I think she's a lazy on her own, and it's massive, so it won't fit in a car. We don't have a van, we don't have a trailer. And then we could pay someone to go and pick it up, but it's £40 for someone to go and pick it up, so what's the point? I'm getting a second-hand dollhouse that's muddy for £40. It's just a waste of money, so I may as well just buy one brand new. So I don't know whether I'm going to pick it up, clean it. I mean, I did ask Sam, would he try and find one of his friends or family members, and would they carry it back? But that's probably unrealistic. So we'll see what happens. If not, I'm going to buy the boys one anyway, but it's just nice. It's like a really good brand one as well, so it would have been nice if I could get that, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, I'm going to go and have my dinner, and then I'm going to go and pop to Lidl, pick the chippings up, put the chippings down. And also I've got these were in Arthur's room, and I wanted some for the back fence, like the ChatGPT picture. These are, the only thing is they're like cloth, so they're not waterproof, I don't know if they'll go mouldy or green, but I'm going to put them on that back fence. I don't know, we'll see. If not, I'll buy some outdoor ones, but I just thought, why I've got them. These were from H&M, I think they were quite expensive for buntings. Yeah, so I'm going to put them on the fence and see how it looks. I've just got back from Lidl, and I'm made up with the price of everything. So I was going to pay £130 for 500 litres of bark, and then I bought 400 litres of bark, so I bought 40 litre 10 bags of 40 litres for 37 quid. So I've got them here, and I'm made up, like I've saved so much. Obviously I think I'm going to go back and I need to get more because I've only got 10 bags, so Sam's going to nip in the morning and lay that out, and then all the toys come in the afternoon. Yeah, but for now I've got 10 bags, see how far they go, and 37 quid I was absolutely made up because I was going to like spend 130 quid. Mum's just arrived with the kids, so while she's keeping them occupied in the garden, I'm just going to see how far these go, so let's see. This will just do it, yeah? Let me just get this up. Say a flower. Show him. Is that for me?
Let go. Let go.
Thank you. Yeah, darling. Do you want it back? Flower. Say. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Right, come on. Let Mum carry on. You helping, baby? Oh, Arfie's helping. Good boy, Arfie. That is 10 bags and it cost us £37. Just shows you've got to shop around Lidl. Really good. It's very damp, so we're going to leave it overnight to dry, and then tomorrow in the morning Sam's going to go and get some more, 10 or 15 more bags, and then that's the bag done. What do you think of your play area? Do you like it? Yay! My mum's just helping me rake it out a bit because some areas is a bit thick. I've put a little bunting there, and then we're going to go in now and have tea, finish the rest tomorrow before the 24 hours is up. So it's officially the next day from when I saw you, and it is absolutely roasting again, so I'm made up that I can literally, oh my god, I've just come upstairs for a charger and I don't know where it's gone. I'll take it down with me. I can't think. So yesterday we got off to, there wasn't enough back. I think I bought 10 bags, and then Sam has kindly gone back to Lidl this morning for me, 8 o'clock. It opened at 8 o'clock, so he was there at 8:15 to get it, to make sure no one else took it. He got there, Bob and 8 went in and they was like, there's none left, and I was like, they had a whole crate yesterday, how could there be none left? Like literally I only took 10 bags and there was like, I don't know, 20 left. And then halfway through the conversation, he was at the wrong Lidl. So he went to another Lidl that was local to us. It was actually my fault. He went to the local Lidl and it was actually the one further away that I went to, and I never told him that. So that was my fault, but he kindly left that Lidl, went to the one where all the bark was, and picked the last 10 bags up for me. So I'm very grateful for him doing that. And then, what have you got, darling? Say hello. Show them what you've got. I'll just go and get my tripod. Oh. And then I'll explain what's going on. That's where we're up to. We found some stumps in the garage, so Sam's added them, but I'm going to move them. I'm not sure about they don't actually look alright though, actually, don't they, Mum? And then I'm going to lay the rest of this now and see if we have enough. Had some things delivered this morning. Literally this morning I'm just waiting for deliveries and then I'm basically done. So I've had these come from TikTok shop. They were 11 quid, so it's like they come in a big box and it's literally like sensory stepping stones, and they're all different colours. Got them in yellow, bob them down, and then we've got the log stepping stones as well, which I'm going to do like a little dino area with next door gifted us some dinosaurs, so I'm gonna have that like a little dino area with the logs. And then I bought some stuff for the back fence, like some butterflies just to hang up. I bought some other stuff from Home Bargains, and then I'm just waiting on the delivery of a trampoline, which it should be at any second this morning. The Wendy house that someone was giving away locally, we've actually had to say we can't get it because we've only got a car and it's too big for a car. We don't know anyone with a van. We can't carry it because it's too far away and too heavy, and it can't be dismantled. So unfortunately we couldn't get the Wendy house, and I didn't buy one. I just thought the boys would benefit more from a trampoline. So yeah, I'm waiting for the trampoline to come, and then I'm gonna set all this up while I'm waiting for the trampoline to come, and then fingers crossed we're finished and we can see the final result. please ignore the state of me, but I'm so tired because literally I've done this. I think it's took me 2 days and it's done. I'm knackered. I've been up like coming out after tea, finishing it off, but it's finished now. The trampoline's up, it got delivered. Last time I spoke to you, it was delivered and I assembled it and put it in, and it looks so good. I'm so happy with the results. Without further ado, here is the children's play area. Ta-da! Look! I'm literally so proud of it and just so happy with how it's turned out. I think everything from like the stepping stones, the little toddler trampoline, the butterflies on the back fence. I did like a little leafy area. I've smashed all the glass out, put like a little leaf area there, which I think I'm going to get a sign saying play, but I didn't find one yet. And then over here just got like all the boys' trucks, lawnmowers, got the slide, the swing. I've got all the sensory stepping stones that are like in the back, which is really good. Then at the front I've got like my little toadstool and my little boots with the frog and my little windmill. Then this trampoline, bought one off TikTok shop, never turned up. Apparently it got destroyed during delivery. So the one at TikTok shop was actually £45. I got this off Amazon. It's exactly the same one for 30 quid. I'll link everything down below. But yeah, the kids love that. Then at the back we've got just the cute little butterflies and my little buntings. And then here, these logs were actually already in the garage for a log burner, but Sam got some out, and then I just have done like a little dino slash animal safari bit, and Arthur loves playing with these. And then at the back, that's been put in properly. I think it's really, really good. And then just got some balls and it's done. Literally, I'm so proud of it. I'm so proud of it. 2 days that took me, and all together I used 25 bags of bark. So when I spoke to you, I went and back and got 5 more bags on that night. So yeah, that is the end of. Look at that. I'm honestly, I'm made. I'm easily pleased. But yeah, I'd say altogether it cost me about £300, which isn't bad because it's a big area and they'll really, really enjoy that. Oh, look at it. Yeah, so I just want to say thank you if you got all the way to the end of this video. Please subscribe and turn your notification bells on, and I will see you next week.